Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over all of the good deals, glitches, and a couple of 5 off $25 scenarios for this week at Family Dollar. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so jumping right in, let's go over a few coupon matchups. So here we have a 25-cent off one for the Knorr pasta sides. These are priced at $1.25 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. Alright, next up, we have a $1.75 off one digital coupon for the Folgers coffees. Now, these big cans are on sale this week for $9.75, so after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $8. Next up, we have a digital coupon on the Ritz and Premium Saltine Crackers. These are priced at $3.50 and $3.65, but with this coupon, that's going to leave you paying $6 for 2. Next up, we have a one-off-one digital coupon for the Bounty paper towels. So if you want to pick up the Bounty Essentials 6-count, these are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. Next, we have a one-off-one digital coupon for the Sparkle paper towels. So if you want to pick up the 4 double rolls, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $4. Next, we have a one-off-one digital coupon for the Cottonelle bath tissue. So if you want to pick up the 4-count mega rolls, those are priced at $5.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. And we also have a one-off-one digital coupon for the Scott bath tissue. So if you want to pick up the 12 big rolls, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $4. Or if you want to pick up the 6 big rolls, these are priced at $3.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. And if you do pick up any of the Scott bath tissue, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now on Fetch Rewards, we do have bonus points on the Scott bath tissue. Now, we also have a really good sale this week going on the Scott paper towels. This is for the 6 or 12 big rolls. These are priced at $6 to $10.75 each. And we also have bonus points on the Scott paper towels on Fetch Rewards as well. So again, don't forget to scan your receipt. And if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here, as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright, next up, we have a one-off-one digital coupon for the Angel Soft bath tissue. So if you want to pick up the 8-count mega rolls, these are priced at $5.95. After the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $4.95. And right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate on the Angel Soft bath tissue. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back, and that's going to make your final price just $3.95. Alright, next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. So if you want to pick up the 185.5-ounce bottles, those are on sale for $11.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.45. Next up, we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon for the Gain 42-count flings. These are on sale this week for $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. Next up, we also have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Gain Flings 14-count. These are on sale for $4.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. And we also have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the other Gain laundry products. So these are also on sale for $4.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. Next, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Downy products. So these are also on sale this week. They're priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. Alright, and moving right along here, we have a 50-cent off one digital coupon on the Gain dish liquid. So if you want to pick up one, those are priced at $2.70. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.20. Now, if you want to pick up 2, these are actually on sale this week, 2 for $4.50. Use that 50-cent off one digital coupon plus a 50-cent off one P&G insert coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.50 for 2. Alright, next up, we have a $1.50 off one digital coupon for the Finish products. So if you want to pick up the 14-count Finish Powerball dish tablets, these are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. And this deal gets even better, because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1.25 rebate back on the Finish dishwasher tablets. So you're going to submit your receipt, get $1.25 back. That's going to make your final price just 50 cents. Alright, next up, we have this digital coupon on the 24-ounce Clorox sprays. These are normally priced at $4.50 each, but we have this digital coupon for when you purchase 2, you're going to pay $7. Next up, we have a 3-off-2 digital coupon for the Airwick products. So if you want to pick up the scented oil starter kits, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. And this coupon is also glitching and working on the Airwick plug-in warmers. So these are priced at $2 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $1 for 2. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Little Critters or Vitafusion vitamins. So if you want to pick up the Vitafusions, these are priced at $5.10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.10. Next up, we have a $1.50 off one digital coupon for the Advil products. So if you want to pick up the 20 count Advil, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now, we also received a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Advil respiratory products. So if you want to pick up the Advil allergy and congestion relief tablets 10 count, these are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Johnson & Johnson's or Destin products. So these start out at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Suave or Vaseline lotions, and this is actually working on the Vaseline Cocoa Butter Petroleum Jellies. These are priced at $2. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Suave Body Wash products. So these are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Now, we also have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Degree Dove Men Dollar Shave Club Suave or Vaseline Men's Grooming Products digital coupon. This is also working on the Suave Men's Body Wash. These are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Now, this digital coupon is also working on the smaller Axe deodorants. These are priced at $2.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. And this digital coupon is also working on the smaller Degree men's deodorants. These are priced at $2.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. And it is also working on the Suave men's active sport deodorants. These are priced at $1.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. All right, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the CoverGirl 2 count brow pencils, these are priced at $4.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.85. All right, next up, we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon for the Colgate multi-packs of toothbrushes or toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the 6 count of Colgate toothbrushes, those are priced at $5 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2, and keep in mind that you're getting a total of 12 toothbrushes. All right, next up, we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Creston Oral-B products. So if you want to pick up the Oral-B Blast 2 count toothbrushes, these are priced at $3 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 3 packs. And this coupon is also glitching and working on the Oral-B Healthy and Clean toothbrushes. These are priced at $1 each, so pick up a total of 3, use that digital coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. Alright guys, so now we're about to go over a couple of 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, November the 12th at Family Dollar. But first, I wanted to go ahead and take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me. If you haven't done that already, right now would be the perfect time to do that. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button as well, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. So, if everybody's had enough time to do that already, let's go ahead and jump into these 5 off $25 scenarios. Alright, so for our first scenario, you want to pick up one of the Scott 12 count bath tissues at $5, 2 of the Scott 6 count paper towels at $9. Remember, those are buy one, get one half off. Then you want to pick up one of the Finish 14 count dishwasher tablets at $3.25, 2 of the Airwick warmers at $2 each, 3 of the Oral-B Healthy and Clean toothbrushes at $1 each, and 1 of the Suave men's deodorants at $1.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.50. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 150 off 1 Finish product, the 3 off 2 Airwick products, the 5 off 3 Creston Oral-B products, and the 1 off 1 Suave Axe and Degree products. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $11 for 10 items. But then the deal gets even better because we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards and get 500 bonus points back for purchasing 2 of the Scott paper towels. And then we're also going to get back another 500 bonus points for purchasing 1 of the Scott bath tissues and 2 of the Scott paper towels. So we have a total of $1 coming back to us on Fetch Rewards. And then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get $1.25 back on the finished dishwasher tablets. So that is going to make our final price $8.75 for all 10 items, making each one just 87 cents each. Alright, now for this next one, you want to pick up 2 of the Scott 6 count paper towels at $9. Remember, they're on sale, buy one, get one half off. 1 of the Gain Flings for $4.45, 1 of the Finish 14 count dishwasher tablets at $3.25, 2 of the Airwick warmers at $2 each, 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $1 each, 1 of the Suave men's deodorants at $1.25, and 1 of the Vaseline jellies at $2. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.95. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Game Flings, the 150 off 1 finished product, the 3 off 2 Airwick products, the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B products, and that's going to take off $3, the 1 off 1 Swab Axe and Degree products, the 1 off 1 Swab and Vaseline lotions. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $9.45 for 11 items. But then we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards and get 500 points back for purchasing 2 of the Scott paper towels. And then we're also going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get $1.25 back for purchasing the finished dishwasher tablets. So that is going to make our final price $7.70 for all 11 items, making each one just 70 cents each. Alright guys, so there you have it for our good deals, our glitches, and our 5 off $25 scenarios for this week at Family Dollar. Now, if you guys are looking for even more deals to do this weekend, don't worry about it because your girl's got you covered. I uploaded a ton of awesome videos this week, and I'm going to have them all linked in the pinned comment down below for you. That will include the 5 off $25 scenario video for Dollar General. We have all kinds of awesome deals going on there, including a 3-day sale, and the last day of that sale will be tomorrow on Saturday. So again, if you missed out on any of those videos, they're going to be linked in the pinned comment down below for you. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.